Hi there, adventurers! Today we're taking you to Switzerland, a winter wonderland filled with snowy mountains, cozy villages, and fun activities. The best part? You can enjoy Switzerland on a budget. We'll show you how. Let's dive in. Switzerland has one of the best transportation systems in the world. Don't worry, it's not super expensive if you plan right. Get a Swiss travel pass. It gives unlimited rides on trains, buses, and boats. Bonus? Free entry to many museums. If you're staying in one town, grab a local transport pass. Some towns even give it to you for free when you book a hotel. Who says you need a fancy hotel to enjoy Switzerland? Stay in hostels. They're cozy and often include free breakfast. Airbnb is another great option, especially if you're traveling with friends or family. And guess what? In some towns, staying overnight gives you free transportation passes. Cool, right? Cool. Food in Switzerland can be pricey, but here's a hack. Visit grocery stores like Coop or Migros. They have tasty, ready-to-eat meals like sandwiches and salads. Don't forget the bakeries for fresh bread and pastries. Want to splurge a little? Try Rosti, a Swiss potato dish, or cheese fondue. Just share with friends. Switzerland is all about nature, and nature is free. Take a walk in the Alps, visit frozen lakes, or explore charming towns like Interlaken or Lucerne. Many museums are free with the Swiss Travel Pass. Love adventure? Some ski resorts offer affordable day passes. You don't need a big budget to enjoy the beauty of Switzerland. Here are some tips to save money and have fun. Pack warm clothes so you don't have to buy pricey winter gear there. Download apps like SBB Mobile for train schedules and discounts. Bring a reusable water bottle. Swiss tap water is clean and free. Plan your trip in January or February for lower prices. Did you know that Switzerland has more than 450 kinds of cheese? Plus, Swiss cows wear bells so farmers can find them in the snow. Oh, and here's a fun one. Switzerland invented milk chocolate, so don't leave without trying some. It's delicious and makes a great gift. That's our Switzerland winter budget travel guide. Now you know how to enjoy this beautiful country without spending a fortune. Like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips. See you on the next adventure.